Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to delete BeReal account. So first let's open the BeReal app and just delete your account. To remove it from the BeReal, you should tap on the right upper corner, click to the three dots and tap to other section, then click here to delete account. You also can clear the cache here if you want. Then you should just here select the reason why you wanna delete your account, so you don't understand this app or just too many bugs or just the other. So click yes, I'm sure, and that's it. So we just successfully delete our BeReal account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.